For today's DIY, I will be working on the visitor's bathroom in my home, and this is attached to the visitor's bedroom. Now, this bathroom is so bare, and I'm working on the toilet area. Now, I saw a picture that I loved so much. It is a small-sized bathroom just like the one I have, and it's all glammed up. It's got paneling, mirrors, and a chandelier. So I'm going to try this out in my bathroom and see what it looks like. So the first thing I'm going to do is the paneling, and it's going to be not fully up on the entire wall, but at least something similar to what's in the picture. These are boards meant for the ceiling, but I will be using it on the wall, and it's plastic, and it has a 3D effect, and the link for this is going to be down in the description box below. I'm going to be attaching this to the wall with a power grab adhesive because this makes it super easy for me to have these installed in no time. The openings are going to be sealed with caulk. I'll be using a wallpaper on the wall, and the link for this particular one is going to be down in the description box below. You can see the lighting by the side. That's because the electrician had already installed it before I was done with this side. For the other wall, I'll be using a different contact paper, and guess which one it is? The one from Walmart that I always use. Now, I used it because I ran out of the other one. So yeah, I used the wallpaper from Walmart for the other wall, and it still looks so pretty and has the same color scheme as the other wallpaper. Down here that's open, I'm going to be covering all that with trim that I got from Lowe's. I'll be using a strong adhesive and a nail gun to attach these to the wall. I'll be sealing up the openings with caulk. I got peel and stick floor tiles that I'll be using to cover up the floor. The flooring here stretches out all the way to the bathroom, so because I'm working on just the toilet area, I'm going to stop right here. For the lighting, I used the chandelier that wasn't used anymore that has just been collecting dust, so I cleaned it off and mounted it up there. Now for my favorite part, the mirror DIY. I took a piece of wood, cut it to size, and then attached a hook for hanging first. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to place the mirror in the middle and mark out the size of the mirror on the wood, and then use that as my guide to make the pattern for my design. I'll be using decorative onlays for this design, and the link for this is going to be down in the description box below. I also use this type of onlays, and the link for this is also going to be down in the description box below. I'm going to use 2 extra onlay pieces of the white and cut them into pieces so that I can fill up the empty spaces that I have on the wooden board. I'm going to be cutting more to fill up the board as much as I can. For these other pieces, I will not be needing these parts. When I was done, I took it out and I spray painted it gold, and I gave this 2 coats of gold spray paint. When it was dry, I brought it back inside and then used a strong adhesive and attached the mirror to the board, and then I let it sit properly overnight. The next day, I mounted this on the wall and later added just a few gems to see what it was going to look like. I then used gold tape here and then decided to make it all round to make it flow. So now I'm thinking about spray painting the towel rail, but then I decided to just cover it up with contact paper to see what it's going to look like. And I'm not too sure about this, but then let's see how it goes. Down here I added a candle holder, and instead of candles to be put inside, I'll be using a small space air freshener. Now here's what the bathroom looks like now. I was supposed to use 2 similar mirrors on 2 walls, just like the inspiration photo, but since I didn't have that, I just used a different mirror on the other wall. Now this is what it used to look like before, and this is what it looks like now. This looks like it has a lot of extra bling, but I really love the way it turned out anyway, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video too as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out, and for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.